Code and Corners, Code and Corners, Code and Corners.
Welcome back, episode 3, creating our motorcycle app, setup, Github. Like on previous videos, we have a timeline of videos. We are now at episode 3. The previous 2 videos are up, so if you haven't seen them, please go and watch them. You'll see that we have 9 episodes in total, eventually using Bluetooth with our app. And a quick reminder of our end goal. We're fundamentally going to try and get this app to respond to a physical button click to send a message to your loved one to let them know that you're okay. Today's goal, we're going to be creating your Github account so you can store code in the cloud, set up SSH so you can get and receive code, and we're going to set up your local Git. First, we've got your Github account, which I'll walk you through now. So I just searched for github.com, clicked on the link. When the page loads, it's just like creating any other account on any other website. Click sign up, and here's some instructions on the screen from Github to create that account. And next we've got Git, which is going to be crucial for juggling our code changes. I'm introducing you to an app called Terminal on macOS. There are other apps on other operating systems, such as Command Prompt on Windows. This app we're going to be using quite a lot in this series. You'll see that I'm writing git ---- version. This should automatically push macOS to install Git on your machine. Nice and simple. If not, I'm going to put some commands on the screen to sort this out. And leading on from that installation, we're going to want to set some config up for that Git installation. Name and email in another terminal window. I've just changed the shape. This is your name and your actual email that you used to set up your Github account. The lovely headache that SSH is. I've opened up ChatGPT here. I've got the instructions on the screen. Pause it as you go. Very basic instructions for you to enter into terminal. There's about 6 steps. And then you hit step 7. It'll ask you to copy your SSH key. You'll open up GitHub. I'm highlighting the URL here, but you really just go to your settings in your GitHub account. On the left-hand side, you can see SSH and GPG keys. You open it up, add a new SSH key, put in whatever you want as the title, and you paste in what you copied from that 7th command that I put on the screen. I want you to open up Terminal again. We're going to make sure that this SSH setup is successful. See the command on the screen, paste it into Terminal, run it. You should see a message the first time about authentication. Say yes, and you should see your SSH is successful. We're going to bring this all together now. So I'm currently showing you my GitHub account. The repositories on the left-hand side are my repositories. They're all public, so you can see them. I've highlighted the URL at the top of this particular repository. You'll see that there's a green button called Code and an SSH option. That contains a value that I want you to copy. This value we're going to use in a moment. We've got Terminal open here. We're going to navigate through our files and folders on our Mac. I'm running various commands from listing what is in the current directory that I'm in. I'm running commands to navigate to another directory, make a directory. Leading on from that, I'm running a command called git clone, and finally using that value we've copied. This will fundamentally download that repository you saw on the screen and all of its files and folders. We don't need this, it's just proving that your integration works, and you will use this exact command at a later date. In summary, you've got your GitHub account set up, you've got the ability to run Git commands locally, and you can get and push code changes to GitHub. This is important because you're going to use GitHub to store your code and utilize its out-of-the-box functionality to publish your app. On the next episode, we will be installing some more tools onto your local machine, such as Node and VS Code, and we'll also be proving them by running a HTTP or website server locally. On to the next.